Hi, this is a demo of how image steganography is done. My name is Argha Bhattacharya. I am a PhD student in Stony Brook University. Here, what we are going to show how you parse a hidden message or hide a message in an image. Particularly, we will focus on an RGB image. What we do after we read an image, basically we transfer that image to a matrix, 3D matrix. And in that 3D matrix, as you can see, we calculate a value which is called dissimilarity measure. What is that? That is a function that we designed that tells us in a window of 3x3 size, how much dissimilar are the pixels. Where the dissimilarity measure is very high, what we do, we change the least significant bits of the central pixel for that window there. And thus, we keep on changing the central least significant bits of the central pixel by a certain binary value. What is that binary value? The message that we want to parse, we basically have those values one by one, and we go on in that image pixels and the binary values of it, we keep on changing them. And this is a simulation of how a hacker will get an image. It will look the same, but the image will have a particular hidden message inside. The second step is, do we have a way to decode it? Let's say we have an image. Can we figure out if this has a hidden text or not? Yes, we do have. Thankfully, we do have. What we do here in the decoder, it again goes through the pixels, the image, when it receives an image in the input, it has a window, and in that window, it again calculates the dissimilarity measure, and for certain values of the threshold, it basically converts it to a binary values and check the least significant bits, tries to understand if there is a hidden message inside, or can a hidden message be formed with the least significant bits. And this is how we get, if there is any hidden message, we can decipher it. I'll give you a small demo on Google Colab on this. This is a function that does the parsing of a particular image. And here, what we parsed is a hidden text, which is the text says this message is malicious. And in the next step, we are going to decode that text from that particular image. You can see the hidden messages. The message is malicious. The interesting thing is that when you look at the image which has the hidden text, you really do not understand that there is any changes in that image. For example, when we run the same thing, the encoding on this image, you can see this is a very naive, innocuous image. There is no changes in the pixel values. You cannot look at it, and there is no changes visually from the original image, which is this one. So that's an important thing to take care of when you receive a media file. Otherwise, you may be a carrier of some malicious texts which are being used for some malicious activities, but you are unaware of this entire activity. Thank you.